So hello everyone, welcome back to your 1000 MCQ series for your NABARD Grade A Phase 1 exam. Okay, so this is our 11th class for your NABARD Grade A Phase 1 MCQ practice, and up till now I think we have crossed more than 600 questions for your Phase 1 examination. So let's try to take more number of questions which are associated with your Phase 1, and that also ARD section. The ethics of permaculture includes what? Care of people, care of earth, fair share, A, B and ABC. Ethics of permaculture. The permaculture also has principles. So based on that, ethics of permaculture includes what? Care of people, care of earth, fair share, A, B, ABC. The answer here is E, that is all. Ethics of permaculture includes earth care, people care and fair share, which are foundation of the permacultural design. Which one converts atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia? Azotobacter, Nitrosomonas, Nitrobacter, Bacillus and Verticillium. Answer, guys. So the answer is A here. Azotobacter is a group of gram-negative bacteria which is free living, nitrogen fixation aerobic bacteria, and it lives in the soil. So when we are talking about Azotobacter, genus is usually motile, oval and spherical bacteria is there, thick walled cyst is there, and it is responsible for your nitrogen fixation aerobic, so it can. Yes, Azotobacter is the correct answer. Choose the correct statement with respect to Western Himalaya region. Rice cannot be grown in this region. Temperate fruits like apple, peach, pear, walnut can be seen here. Zone of perennial rivers, A, B and B, C. So the answer here is, what is the answer? Yes, B and C is correct. Rice cannot be grown in this region. No, rice can be grown in this region. There are various regions like Himachal Pradesh and even your Uttaranchal where rice cultivation is also still done. So therefore answer here is E, that is B and C. Which of the following best describes length of growing period? First, it refers to the number of days available for crop growth with suitable condition. It refers to period of light and darkness required by the plant to grow, often referred as short day and long day plants. It refers to flowering period of crop. It refers to number of days the crop requires to harvest. Wisdom says B, and that is wrong, guys. Length of growing period is nothing but the total amount or the total number of days required for a particular crop to grow with its optimum growth in suitable climatic conditions. So A is correct. An agroclimatic zone is a land unit in terms of major climate suitable for a certain range of crops and cultivars. Which of the following crop is incorrectly matched with regards to its agroclimatic zone? Rice to Gangetic Plains and Eastern Coast, pulses to Central and Western Plateau, wheat to Western and Southern Plateau, fruits and vegetables to Gangetic Plains and Western Coast and Ghats, sugarcane to Gangetic Plains and Western and Southern Plains. Very important question, try to answer. So here your answer is not, yes, Wisdom gave correct answer. C is the correct answer, where wheat is not grown in Western and Southern Plateau. Wheat actually, when we are talking about, it is grown in Gangetic Plains and Central Plateau and hills. So rest all the matches were correct and C was wrong. Yes, Breach, correct. Hi, how are you? Which of the following statement is incorrect about the agroecological regions by National Bureau of Soil Survey and Land Use Planning, NBSSLUP? The latest attempt has been made by Planning Commission of India in 1989 in association with National Remote Sensing Agency, which divides agroclimatic zone on the basis of commodity of agroclimatic regions like soil type, rainfall, temperature, water resources. The National Bureau of Soil Survey and Land Use Planning came up with 27 agroecological zones based on the length of growing period. These agroecological zones were subdivided into 60 subzones. 3 statements, try to give the answer. B people are saying, but Wisdom is saying 3 only. So one answer we have got for 3 only. One answer we have got for 2 only. 20 AEZ, someone is saying. We have to find which of the following statements are incorrect. So don't make a mistake here. We have to find which is wrong. So the answer here is B, that is second is wrong, because only 20 agroecological zones are based on NBSSLUP planning of agroecological zones. Which of the following are primary objectives of classification of agroclimatic zones? Optimize agriculture production, that is best practices in India. Increase farm income and create farm income opportunities through scientific utilization of agriculture and allied resources. Generate additional employment, particularly for landless laborers, for example, Bihar. And options are given here. We have to find which of the following are primary objectives. So the answer here is C, which is 1 and 2. Your third, that is generating employment, is your secondary objective. Okay, generating employment is your secondary objective. Wisdom, you made their mistake. Secondary objective is your generating employment, it's not the primary one. Which of the following statements are true about lower Gangetic Plains region? It includes eastern Bihar, West Bengal and Assam Valley. It has annual rainfall of 200 to 400 centimeters, and the crops grown in this region require hot and humid climate. Answer please. So the answer here is D, which is nothing but 1 and 3 only. So what is wrong here? Yes, annual rainfall is 100 to 200 centimeters, not 200 to 400 centimeters. Rest all the things are correct here. Okay. Which of the following statements about Trans-Gangetic Plains region are correct? This region encompasses central and western parts of Uttar Pradesh and parts of Uttarakhand. Average annual rainfall is 70 to 125 centimeter. Dairy is also important economic activity in this region. Answer, guys. The answer here is D, that is 2 and 3 only. The first one is wrong because see, western part of Uttar Pradesh to hai bhai, but when we are talking about Trans-Gangetic Plain, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Chandigarh and Ganganagar district of Rajasthan, these are the main region. Some part of western Uttar Pradesh is also there, but this Uttarakhand is not there in this particular area. It comes in your Eastern Himalayas. ठीक है, आगे बढ़े. Identify the agroclimatic zone from the passage below. This zone contains region of Chota Nagpur Plateau, Rajmahal Hills, Chhattisgarh Plain and Dandakaranya Plateau. Region is 26 to 34 degrees Celsius temperature in July and 10 to 27 degrees Celsius in January. That means in winter. Average annual rainfall in the region is 80 centimeter to 150 centimeter. Which is the region? ये तो भाई बताना पड़ेगा, कंपलसरी है ये क्वेश्चन. Yes, guys. Eastern Plateau and Hills. So that's the correct answer. Very good, Wisdom. Very good, Birch. So here Eastern Plateau Hills is the correct answer. We are talking about important plateaus in the country. Chota Nagpur Plateau. Where does it comes? Tell me. Rajmahal Hills, Chhattisgarh Plains. So this comes to the heart of the India. Exactly. अगर आप India, if you consider एज अ ह्यूमन फिगर, तो हार्ट जो है आपका, द लेफ्ट चेस्ट, वहां पर ये सारे प्लेट्यूज आ जाते हैं. सो दिस रीजन डेफिनेटली इज योर सेंट्रल हिल्स एंड प्लेट्यूज. नेक्स्ट, सेंट्रल एंड वेस्टर्न पार्ट्स ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश बिलोंग्स टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग जोन? अपर गंगेटिक प्लेन, मिडल गंगेटिक प्लेन, लोअर गंगेटिक प्लेन, ट्रांस गंगेटिक प्लेन एंड ईस्टर्न प्लेट्यू एंड हिल्स. आंसर? So answer here is A, which is upper Gangetic Plains. तो आपके upper Gangetic Plains में western part of उत्तर प्रदेश आ जाता है, and central part of उत्तर प्रदेश also comes in your upper Gangetic Plains. Match the following boards with respect to headquarters. Coffee board Kochi, rubber board Bengaluru, Tea Board Kottayam and Spice Board Kolkata? Tell me. Sir, it's Transgangetic Plain. Okay. आपका अगर गंगेटिक प्लेन, इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस इज योर लोअर गंगेटिक प्लेन, मिडिल गंगेटिक प्लेन, upper Gangetic plain and Transgangetic plain. In Transgangetic plain, Punjab, Haryana, all these regions will be coming. What is the answer to this question? Match the match the following. It's very, very important, because in this match the following, 4 institutes are there. In NABARD exam, what will happen is that most probably they will be asking you directly the question. For example, where is the headquarter of coffee board located, or where is the headquarter of tea board located? So the answer here is A. Headquarter of tea board is Kolkata. Formation of tea board was on 1st April 1954. Ministry of Commerce and Industry, इसके अंडर आ जाता है आपका टी बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया, एंड इट वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड बाय द इनैक्टमेंट ऑफ टी एक्ट इन 1953. सिमिलरली कॉफी बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया हेडक्वार्टर इज बेंगलुरु, फॉर्मेशन इज 1942. It also comes under Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and it was established by an Act of Parliament in 1942. Then is Rubber Board of India, belongs to Kottayam, Kerala. Formation is 1947 under Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and it is also constituted under Section 4 of Rubber Act 1947. Then comes Tobacco Board of India. Headquarter is Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. 1st January 1976 is the formation date, under Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and it has been constituted under Section 4 of Tobacco Board Act of 1975. National Agricultural Research Project NARP was launched by Indian Council of Agricultural Research in 1979 for initiating agricultural research in agroclimatic zones in the country. NARP has divided the country into how much agroclimatic zone? 112, 152, 127, 119, 101. So the answer here is C, which is 127. So remember this carefully. NARP divided total India into 127 agroclimatic zones. This was for research purposes. Okay. Which of the following crops grow in calcareous soil? Cotton, maize, tea, areca nut and clover. Answer. The answer here is E, that is clover. Okay. Calcareous soil is found in arid and semi-arid region. CaCO3, that is calcium carbonate, dominates this type of soil. Okay. Identify the correct statements with respect to cropping system. It aims to derive benefits from the given resource base under specific environmental condition. Correct. It studies interaction between cropping patterns with the farm resources and available technology. Correct. It studies the portion of area under various crops at the point of time in unit area. Seems to be correct. I think E is the correct answer. All statements are correct. Next, in which of the following cropping system only 2 crops are taken in 3 years in scarcity areas, that is dry farming, where rainfall is very low? Ratooning, fallowing, then alley cropping, relay cropping and triple cropping. Answer, guys. The answer here is B, fallowing. Fallowing is nothing but one area of the land you are doing cropping, one area you are doing cropping of field crop, other area you are doing cropping of horticultural crop, and one part of the field you are keeping to be uncultivated, or you are keeping it to be barren or uncultivated. Now why this is kept uncultivated? So that the nutrients are again balanced on this particular field or this patch of land. Alternately, what you do is that as you go on doing cropping year after year, you keep on interchanging your fallow land, that is uncultivated land, so that after 5 to 6 years your overall full land nutrients are there, those are well balanced and well reinvigorated. Reinvigorated matlab every patch of land is kept uncultivated for 1 year or so, and in this way overall complete field, all the nutrient levels are balanced to its original position. Identify the characteristics of monocot seed. Parallel veins, vascular bundle, complexly arranged and fibrous root. Web-like veins, vascular bundle, linear arranged, fibrous root. Cubical structure of veins, vascular bundles, cob-like arranged, taproot. Linear veins, vascular bundles, linear arrangement, taproot. And cylindrical veins, vascular bundles, circular arrangement, fibrous root. Answer? A is the correct answer here. Parallel veins, vascular bundle and complex vascular bundle which is complexly arranged, fibrous root. So monocots are having one cotyledon, floral parts are 3 or multiple of 3, parallel veins, pollen grains have one pore only, and vascular bundle are throughout the stem which are evenly set. 2 cotyledons, 4 or 5 or multiples of 4 or 5 petals are there for floral parts are there, net-like veins are there, pollen grains are having 3 pores or multiple pores, and stem's vascular bundle has a ring-like arrangement. These crops are harvested at early maturity, finely chopped, packed tightly to exclude air and stored in tower silos, pits and trenches. Proper fermentation is sometimes even done for the animal feeding during lean period or off season. Identify the type of crops we are talking about. Restorative crops, companion crops, utera crops, nurse crop and silage crops. So the answer here is silage crops. This is the correct answer. Generally silage crops are fodder crops only, which are used for utility of fodder purposes or food purposes for your cattle in dry or lean period, summer season where water is unavailable, grains are unavailable. Which type of fishes live in salt water but breed in fresh water? Which type of fishes live in salt water but breed in fresh water? The answer here is B. Actually, anadromous fishes are those which spend most of their time in sea and return to fresh water for the breeding purposes. Catadromous are exactly opposite. They spend their time in fresh water and then migrate to the sea. And oceanodromous live and migrate in ocean only. They don't come to fresh water. How many pairs are correctly matched? Agnatha are jawless fishes. Chondrichthysis are cartilaginous fishes. Potamodromus are freshwater fishes, and Osteichthysis is bony fishes. Which of the following? Based on this, match the pairs. How many pairs are correctly matched? 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, none of the above. So here your D is correct, that is 4 pairs are correct. So total all the pairs are correct. Agnatar, jawless fish, Chondrichthyes are your cartilaginous and Osteichthyes are your bony fish. Which of the following is not classified category of inland fisheries in India? Lacustrine fishes, estuarine fishes, ornamental fishes, sports fishes and oceanic fisheries. Inland fisheries. Inland में क्या क्या आएगा? Lacustrine means lake. Yes. Estuarines means estuaries. Yes. Then ornamental fisheries are your overall fish tanks. Sport fisheries, fisheries for sport and rejuvenation purposes. And then oceanic fishes. Are oceans inland? No, right? So E will be your answer. Directly eliminate your E. So this is the classification. Inland fisheries are classified in freshwater and brackish water. Freshwater is further classified into riverine, lacustrine and pond. Marine water are into coastal and deep water or offshore fisheries. Offshore fisheries are further classified into 3: pelagic, epipelagic and benthic fishery. Which of the following categories of microorganisms causes Surra disease in vertebrate animals? Virus, protozoa, bacteria, fungi, algae. Answer, guys. So the answer here is B. Actually, Surra disease is caused by Trypanosoma evansi, which is a parasite. Okay. So this parasite is transmitted by biting of flies. It's in the blood of flies. National Seed Corporation, responsible for production and distribution of high quality seeds, planting material, sale of biofertilizers in India, was established in which of the following year? Very important question. So the answer here is very simple. It's D, that is 1963. Your National Seed Corporation Limited was established on 1963. Which of the following state falls in lower Gangetic Plains region? Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand and none of the above. The answer here is D, E, sorry, it's none of the above. Even Jharkhand doesn't comes in your lower Gangetic plain. Okay, so when we are talking about lower Gangetic plain, the states which will be coming here will be some part of Bihar, some part of West Bengal, but not Jharkhand. It may seem that Jharkhand will be the part of the lower Gangetic plain, but it is not. Mustard is a leading crop of which state? Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. Answer, guys. So the answer is very easy. It's A, that is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the leading state in in production of mustard. Which of the following is example of bast fiber? So fibers, when we are talking about, whenever fiber crops we are talking about, some crops, flowers are responsible for giving the fibers. Some stems are responsible. Some leaves are responsible. And somewhere even basts are responsible. So jute, mesta, cotton, only AB and only AC. Which of the following is the example of bast fiber? The answer here is your D, which is A and B, that is jute and mesta. So let me tell you one thing. Natural fibers or overall fibers, when we are talking about, first is bast type of fiber, leaf type of fiber, seed type of fiber or wood type of fiber. Wood type of fiber is nothing but softwood and hardwood. This gives you fiber or threads from which textile can be prepared. Seed is nothing but this is a fruit or flower type of fiber. Cotton, kapok, coir, these are your examples. Leaf is nothing but sisal, banana, abaca. From here also various fibers are produced. Then we call bast, this is nothing but stems. So, or the stems or the bark of the tree, that is fleshy herbaceous crop. That stem or that flesh would be called as bast. Hemp, jute, rami, kinaf, flax, these are your examples of bast fiber. Which of the following are Gangetic carps? Katla, Mrigal, Rohu, only AB and only ABC. So the correct answer here is E. All three, Katla, Rohu and Mrigal are your Gangetic carps. Which of the following are characteristics of featherback fish? Adapted to flowing condition, correct. Feed on aquatic insects, shrimps and small fishes, carnivorous and predatory fish. That's also correct. I think all are correct here. E is the correct answer. These are predatory fishes. These you will find in fast flowing waters and they are carnivorous in nature. So they eat small insects, shrimp, etc. What is the full form of NPOP? This is our last question and here we'll end the session. Thank you very much. So tell the answer to this simple question and we'll end the class. And yes, one more thing, as all the students are live here, if you are a student, still if you have not joined our NABARD Grade A Merit Section MCQ batch, do go check out our Oliveboard website. Already offers are going on. Super preparation sale offer is going on. Go and check out our RBI courses. In that, your first course, only newly launched course is there. That is your NABARD Grade A 2024 Phase 1 Merit Section MCQ batch. This MCQ batch is very, very special, guys. In this, we are providing to you in this last 10 days 2000 MCQs for merit section, that is GA, ESI and ARD. So we are covering 2000 MCQs here. MCQs will be covered for ESI, government schemes, general awareness and ARD static, agriculture, current affairs, etc. Okay. What is the answer to this NPOP? The answer is National Program for Organic Production. So D is the correct answer. Thank you very much and see you next time. We'll end the class today. We will meet tomorrow.